Jason here with Pursuing Travel with the Millers, and we're going to take a look at the Corinthian Grand Hotel Royal that is located in Budapest, Hungary. There's a lot of great places to stay. This is where we stayed while we were in Budapest on our most recent trip. So come along and let's take a look at this hotel. Before we start the tour, a little bit about us. We've traveled to over 80 countries, all 50 states, and we have a variety of different videos. World Culinary Journey on Tuesdays, our virtual vacation escapes on Sundays, and plenty of destinations, culture, history, tours, and more. And with ET Family Travel, we can book your next vacation. So let's take a look at this historic hotel. So it was built in 1896 along with a variety of other historic buildings commemorating the 1000th anniversary of the Magyar people who settled the what is now Hungary. So this particular hotel, great area on the Pest side, and is made for a very, very luxurious hotel, as you can see. Walking through the lobby area, you see the marble floors, the beautiful staircase that really reminds me of, something like the grand staircase on the Titanic. But, with less sinking possibility here. But taking a look, on the second floor, you got conference rooms. You can have plenty of conferences here. They have, once again, just, stunningly beautiful with those lamps and the design of the floor. The legitimately red carpet. There's a salon that you have on either side, kind of lounge areas with, a piano with a piano player. You also have a nice restaurant where you can get, breakfast or get dinner, in a very, very nice atrium look. So we went and checked that out. Also had breakfast, and it was, very good. And a lot of really great amenities here. So, there's more to it than just that. We went to the pool, heated pool, very, very nice. It looks like that you have gone back in time a little bit, but just great amenities. You even have, some stained glass windows around, hot tub. There's a spa. They have a gym that's very nice. So really, really excellent, luxurious area, and it's in a nice location. Let's take a look at our room that we have. So, taking a look at the room, so very, very nice accommodations. We stayed in, a standard room. You do have your mini fridge. You have, king bed, that also each person had their own set of sheets. So that was pretty nice. So no stealing the sheets from my wife, because we each had our own, basically, because it's kind of two separate beds that were pushed together, but still very nice. Very comfortable pillows and everything like that. Very nice restroom. Standard size restroom, but still quite nice with a tub and shower, and also the marble countertops and things that give it that elegant look once again. And of course, they also include bathrobes if you wanted to use those. So, which we did when we went to the swimming pool. So, really, really nice accommodations, beautiful hotel. They did provide us, waters as well. So, if you're looking for a luxurious, nice place to stay, this is a good place for you in Budapest. Thanks for watching. Contact us at ET Family Travel to book your Budapest adventure, and definitely subscribe if you like this content.